Electrical machinery 1, DC generator, theoretical class, and 2 more hints. Wave winding, DC generator. DC generator wave winding diagram shown in figure. Pitch diagram is in figure. YB is back pitch, YF front pitch, Y is center pitch. Rule of wave winding. YB and YF should be odd numbers and the same sign. YB and YF should be nearly equal to pole pitch. Resulted by P. YB and YF may be equal or may differ by 2. Average pitch YA is equal to YB plus YF divided by 2. YA average pitch. Rule number 5. YA is equal to Z plus or minus 2 divided by P. Plus for progressive winding, minus for retrogressive winding. That is YA is equal to Z plus 2 divided by P for progressive winding. YA is equal to Z minus 2 divided by P. That is retrogressive winding. YA average pitch. YA must be whole number. YB and YF should be based on the value of YA. And Z is equal to 30, P is equal to 4. YA is equal to Z plus or minus 2 divided by P. 30 plus or minus 2 divided by 4, that is 8 or 7. YB is equal to 7 is equal to YF. Since wave winding, but this is not possible in lap winding. YB is equal to 9, YB is equal to 7, same or differ by 2. That is very important points. Both are positive. Same or differ by 2. Both are positive. Wave winding problem. Draw double winding of simplest double layer winding for 4-pole DC generator. The number of armature connectors is 30. Locate brushes on the conductors. YA formula is equal to Z plus or minus 2 divided by P. That is 8 or 7. Choose YB is equal to 7 and YF is equal to 7. Theoretical part we read same value and both are positive. So YB and YF is equal to 7 and positive sign. That is asked in 2 more questions and answer. Wave winding YB and YF same or differ by 2 and both are positive. Wave winding condition table, backside condition and front side condition. 1 plus YB value is 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 15 plus 7 22. 29 plus 7 36 minus 30. Above total number of conductors, subtract from total values. So 36 minus 30 is equal to 6. 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. 37 plus 7 is equal to 34. We have 8 plus 7, right side condition 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Put 15 in backside condition tabulation column. So 15 plus 7 is equal to 22 and 22 plus 7 29. 29 plus 7 6. In this way we obtain backside condition and front side conditions points. 9 plus 7 60, 16 plus 7 23, 23 plus 7 30, 30 plus 7 37, 37 minus 30 is equal to 7, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, 14 plus 7 is equal to 21, 21 plus 7 is equal to 28, 28 plus 7 35 minus 30 is 5, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 7 26, 26 plus 7 33, 33 minus 30 is equal to 3, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Develop winding diagram shown in figure. This connection is made 1 to 8. Center vertical lines, odd number is upper conductors, even number is lower conductors. 2 conductors in 1 slots. 30 conductors, 15 slots, 15 coils. Connections. Connections is pitch connections is made 1 to 8. 8 to 15, 15 to 22, 20 to 29, 29 to 6, 6 to 13, 13 to 20, 20 to 27, 27 to 4, 4 to 11. In this manner, we connect pitch connections 90 to 26, 26 to 3, 3 to 10, 10 to 17, 17 to 24, 24 to 1. In lap winding, number of brushes is equal to number of poles. But wave winding, 2 brushes are sufficient. Connectors are moved right to left under the poles. Draw the equivalent ring diagram to locate the brushes on the commutator. Select the first point for ring diagram. 17 is last point of front side connection end point. So select 17 to 24 and 1 to 8, 15 to 2, 27 to 6, 13 to 20, 27 to 4, 11 to 18 in backside connections. Stop 18 and 18 to connect 18 to 25 in front side connection and 2 to 9, 16 to 23, 30 to 1, 14 to 21, 28 to 5, 12 to 19, 26 to 3, 10 to 17. Stop at same point, that is ring diagram. Clear purpose we given 3 ring diagrams, that is same diagrams. Wave winding diagram. From the ring diagram, it is clear that from the point end on the winding, the currents are flowing into winding in the form 2 parallel paths. So point end is the place for locating the negative brush, but this point end is located on the back side of the winding. So we have to select suitable points on the front side which are nearest to N. P and Q are the nearest points on the front side. From the ring diagram, we will find that from points LM, the currents come out from the winding. LM are only points which are suitable for locating positive brush, but these P, Qs are just situated on the back side of the winding. So we have to choose the points R and S from the front side of the winding, so that R and S are very close to L and M. However, 4 brushes are unnecessary, 2 brushes are sufficient. These are brushes corresponding to P and R. The reason is voltage is connected 24. Similarly, voltage and connected 16 and 23 are negligible. So we calculate that only 2 brushes are sufficient. The brushes or segments 1 and 5 are sufficient. In general, in the wave winding, we can have the number of brushes equal to the number of poles. But so many brushes are unnecessary. Or purpose are to introduce 2 brushes only. 2 brushes only. That is important in wave winding. But in the lamp winding, number of brushes always equal to the number of poles. That is asking 2 marks. Question and answers. Electrical machinery 1 DC generated 2 marks in 10 question and answers. That discuss topic and video. Wave winding 2 mark hints. YB and YF should be odd numbers and same sign. YB and YF nearly equal to pole base Z by P. YB and YF equal or differ by 2. YA is equal to Z plus or minus 2 divided by P. Example, YB, YF is equal to 7 for wave winding. This is not possible for lap winding. Both are positive. Those are sufficient. 2 conductors per slot. Total number of conductors is equal to 2 into number of slots. Number of slots is equal to number of coils. Conductors moving right to left with respect to the poles. Poles indicated in diagram. N, S, N, S, that is poles indicated in the winding diagram.